Hello and welcome to the course on mastering the GD skills. I hope you're ready and excited to learn and master the group discussion skills for your successful career. Here I am, the Mandeep Kaur, instructor of Mastering the Group Discussion Skills course. Now, let's start with the basic meaning of group discussion, popularly known as GD. Now, what exactly is GD? GD is basically a method used by an organization to gauge or to check whether the candidate has certain personality traits and skills that it desires in its members. तो जीडी इज अ मेथड जो कंपनीज यूज करती हैं बेस्ट कैंडिडेट्स की स्क्रूटनी के लिए कि क्या उस कैंडिडेट के पास वो स्किल्स या वो ट्रेट्स हैं भी जो उन्हें अपनी कंपनी में किसी पर्टिकुलर पोजीशन पे काम करने के लिए चाहिए. So, this group discussion involves exchange of views between the participants so that they not only exhibit their own knowledge and their own thoughts, rather, they absorb others' point of views too and enhance their understanding and knowledge. In this group discussion, the group of candidates is given a topic or a situation and they are given a few minutes to think about the same. मतलब क्या होता है कि एक ग्रुप ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स होते हैं, उनमें उनको कोई ना कोई टॉपिक दे दिया या कोई ना कोई सिचुएशन दे दी जाती है और उन्हें कुछ टाइम दिया जाता है कि आप इसके बारे में सोचो और फिर उसके बाद उन लोगों को 15-20 मिनट के लिए डिस्कस करने के लिए कहा जाता है. और आई कैन से दैट दे आर आस्क्ड टू डिस्कस इट अमंग देमसेल्व्स फॉर 15 to 20 मिनट्स. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज कि ये ग्रुप डिस्कशन कब कराया जाता है. When is group discussion conducted by the companies? The answer is companies conduct group discussion after the written test या फिर जिसे हम aptitude भी कह सकते हैं, but it's not always necessary. मतलब क्या होता है कि कुछ कंपनीज बिना एप्टीट्यूड के डायरेक्ट जीडी ही करवाती हैं. So some companies do not conduct aptitude and directly conduct GD so as to check on interactive skills and how good one is at communicating with other people. This is basically done to filter the candidates from the crowd with desirable personality traits who can fit in the organization eventually. तो ये बेसिकली उन कैंडिडेट्स को फिल्टर कराने के लिए किया जाता है जिनके पास डिजायरेबल ट्रेट्स हो और जो गुड फिट हो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए. Obviously, if the company has to invest in someone, the company will try to recruit the best. अब अगर मैं समराइज्ड वे में बात करूं और if I summarize this whole thing, then GD is to check how you behave, participate and contribute in a group. कितना कंट्रीब्यूशन है आपका ग्रुप डिस्कशन में. कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि बिल्कुल ही चुप ही बैठे हैं आप. How much importance do you give to the group objective as well as your own? How well do you listen to viewpoint of others? And how much open-minded are you in accepting views contrary to your own? होता क्या है कि जब कोई हमसे कॉन्ट्रोडिक्टरी व्यू पॉइंट्स लेके आता है ना तो हम एग्रेसिव हो जाते हैं. और rather I should say when someone brings their own viewpoints which are contrary to us, then we become aggressive, we lose our temper. Instead of being aggressive, if others' point of view is contradictory, we should try to accept those viewpoints. So this GD is to check how well we can accept contradictory viewpoints. Now talking about the aspects which make up a GD, then verbal communication मतलब जो हम बोलते हैं, our non-verbal behavior means our expressions, facial expressions, hand movements, etc. Conformation to norms means ग्रुप के रूल्स को कितना फॉलो करते हैं हम, हमारी डिसीजन मेकिंग एबिलिटी एंड कोऑपरेशन. These all cover the aspects of a group discussion. Now let's talk about the reasons. What exactly are the reasons for having a GD? Firstly, it helps you to understand a subject more deeply. जो भी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक है उसकी डीपर अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए कराया जाता है. इट इम्प्रूव्स योर एबिलिटी टू थिंक क्रिटिकली. हम क्रिटिकली सोच पाते हैं. We are able to look on both the positive and the negative aspect of the subject. It helps in solving a particular problem. Problem solving becomes much easier. It helps the group to make a particular decision, and so it helps in decision making. Also, it gives the chance to hear others' ideas. आप दूसरे के व्यू पॉइंट्स को भी जान पाते हो. Another reason is it improves our listening skills. Obviously, one's listening skills improve with this. It increases your confidence in speaking. इतने सारे participants के सामने अपना व्यू पॉइंट रखना. Speaking in front of a number of participants undoubtedly increases our confidence level.